Man, look at this. It's 392, a RT. This thing has 315s on the back. Oh, never mind. It has 315 all around. My bad.